Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can add a Gmail account in your Android device. So what you're supposed to do, there are two methods. One method is the method which you can use your Gmail account app. Then click this three-dotted icon and then come to where we have add account. Then select Google. Then you need to verify your account here. So let us verify. So the email which you need to add, you can come and input it here. Then you need to hit next. You can come and enter the password. So let me enter the password here. And then click next. So you'll be prompted to agree, so I just agree. So, and after agreeing, let us log in. Let's give it time to verify. So you can technically add another home address, but I don't need to add it, so just skip. And immediately I skip, the address will be added into my gadget. So as you can come here where we have analysis of my accounts, it is here. This is the account which we have added. So from there we can use the second method, which is using the Play Store or App Store method. You can come to the Play Store, then click the Gmail icon, which is above here at the upper right hand side. Then you can expand the tab, then come to where we have add accounts. Then when you come to where we have add accounts, let me add some lighting. So you can come here, then say add another account. Then you need to verify. So you'll be taken next to this interface where you come and enter your email, then click next. Let me delete this one. So where you can come and enter the email which you want to add, maybe. Then click next. Then you can come and enter your password and you are good to go. So this is how we usually do in order to add a Gmail account using in our Android device through a step-by-step guide. So there are two methods. One is using the Gmail icon and the other one is using your App Store. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future rolling content like this. Thank you and God bless you.